As described earlier, damage to the right parietal lobe can produce a syndrome called anosognosia, or hemispheric neglect, where an individual fails to attend to or even notice that there is an injury that has caused the left side of their body to become paralyzed. Interestingly, this lack of self-awareness extends through the whole of the individual's perceptual field. In a famous study by V.S. Ramachandran, he used a mirror angled to reflect what was occurring on the patient's neglected left field of vision. After informing and confirming that the subject understood that they were looking into a mirrored reflection, the subject was asked to grab the pen next to them on the left and reflect it in the mirror. Remarkably, rather than turning to the left and grabbing the pen, subjects would attempt to reach for the reflection. When asked to explain why they were unable to grab the pen, the subjects would surprisingly reply with statements like, "The real pen is inside the mirror," or "How'd you get the pen behind the mirror?" Interestingly, other kinds of lesions to the parietal lobe produce visual deficits, but not a loss in an individual's awareness of the deficit. For example, damage to the medial temporal area affects an individual's ability to perceive the speed and direction of something, but not their awareness of their perceptual loss. These individuals are frightfully aware of their deficit. Despite possessing vision that's functionally normal in all other ways, trying to cross the street is terrifying for them. It seems that only certain kinds of brain damage come with corresponding damage to self-perceptual awareness that leaves individuals unaware of the deficit. So it is clear that damage to some brain regions affect the performance of a neurocognitive skill, and others the perception of that skill's performance. And you can lose one or both or a range in between. The cognitive interactions that produce these differences will be part of our discussion in the future.